Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how we prepare coleslaw in Jamaica. So this is the Jamaican coleslaw. Well, a lot of Jamaicans do not put mayonnaise on the coleslaw, and I'm going to show you exactly how we do it in Jamaica. Now I am using 1 cabbage. This is about 1.5 pounds of cabbage. So what I'm going to do is to remove what we call the whole leaf. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do now is to and I'm using 2 carrots, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna use the entire 2 carrots, right? So scrape, peel, and the head and the tip removed. So let's focus on the carrot and the cabbage. So I am adding some salt to a container, and I'm gonna turn on the water and make a solution. That's water and salt mixed together. Yeah, so it's a solution. So I'm gonna put the cabbage. First I'm gonna cut the cabbage. Yes, I'm gonna cut the cabbage. So I'm gonna put it like face down in the water just for 1 or 2 minutes, because in Jamaica we eat real food, and real food contains sometimes worms, and I don't want to eat the worms eggs, so the salt will kill the worms. This part of the grater, and first I am gonna do the carrot. So now I'm gonna do the cabbage. Just watch what I'm doing, right? And this cabbage is not fold tight. You understand? I am gonna do the other carrot. So I am trying not to allow one ingredient to overpower the other one. I just want equal proportions. So that's why I am doing it like this. I am gonna prepare a solution that I am gonna sprinkle over the cabbage and carrots. So this is about 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, and to that I am gonna add Just a small amount of white sugar. Probably a teaspoon or a teaspoon and a half. So I'm gonna let this sit in the vinegar and allow the sugar granules to dissolve. Then I will be right back. Yes, so the sugar granules dissolved somewhat. So now I am just gonna sprinkle on all over the cabbage and carrots. And the amount you use is up to you. So this gives the cabbage and carrots a somewhat sweet but sour taste, or tangy, a tangy or tangy. One out of them word there, you understand what I talk about? Yeah, so that's the kind of taste you will get. And this is our Jamaican local coleslaw. This is how we make coleslaw in Jamaica. This is our traditional coleslaw, right?